Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can move your threads, search entries, chats and conversations on Comet AI to one of your other spaces. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so head over to Comet AI, to the Comet AI web browser, log into your Perplexity account, and here guys to the left, hover your mouse over that panel till you see the spaces section. Click into it and select your spaces. Now I will need to create a new one so that I can move, for example, threads from that space to another one. Let me create one really quickly just for the sake of this tutorial. New space, test space. So let us go with that test space here. So what you want to do guys is navigate to the thread, for example, you would like to assign to a space. Let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. What you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right corner and, for example, remove it from the current space if you like, or alternatively simply select swap space here and select your, let me just refresh the page, and select your new space, in this case here, new space, test space here. And that's it. That's one way how you can do it guys. You can also navigate to the given space here and after that find the thread here in that list. Let me again refresh so that these changes may be saved. And after that, simply click into these three dots next to given thread within the space, and again select swap space and select the other space from that list. Choose it or create a completely new one, guys. You will see the checkmark icon here to the right, indicating the current location of the given thread. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.